This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real videos, real learning, real success.
I've been working with Microsoft since it came out in Windows, and I have to tell you, this is probably my all-time favorite upgrade. And what we're going to look at is how to search in Windows 8. I love it. Here we are in the start screen, and when you're in Windows 8 and you want to search, simply go to your start screen and start typing what you're looking for. So I'm trying to find that I know I was out in Wikipedia and I was on the test, the actual screen called test in Wikipedia, but pretend I can't find it. Okay, it's right here on my start screen, but let's just pretend I can't find it. So I simply start typing test. Look, as soon as I hit TE, pops up on the left side of my screen, we have apps. There it is, right there. That's the app that I was looking for. But before we click on it and move into it, let's take a look at the right side of the screen. Over here on the right side, there's my search box. I'm just circling it with my mouse. You can see that TE is also in the search box. Apps is selected, and it says that I have one app that I have found by typing in TE. It also says when I click on settings, there are 29 settings with a TE somewhere in the setting name. And if I click on files, there are 10 files with a TE. Now watch on files as I keep typing. I'm going to go ahead and type the S and then the T. And when I get further in here, let me hit the search button. There we go. I wanted to refresh with that search button. In files, now there are only 4 files that have the full word of test. So now if I were looking for one of these files, I would simply click on it and boom, it would take me right into the file. Or remember, I was looking for that app, so I go back up to app and there's my app. I simply click and boom, there I am in Wikipedia on the test screen that I used just for this example. Right now I no longer want this screen, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the top, hold my mouse with that hand and just drag it right off of there, and that puts me right back on the start screen. If I wanted to do another search, I would simply start typing. So I'm looking for my friend, and I know that somehow I have him in there as William. So I'm simply going to start typing William, right? And as I get into, let me back up a little bit, because what I want to show you is as I type, I was typing a little too fast there. See how it's starting to narrow it down? It says, well, I can't find anything with the word Will in it. So over to the right, we have apps, we have settings, and we have files. Well, I'm not looking for any of those things. I'm looking for a person. So in the bottom section, let me do a little scrolling here so we can see. In this bottom section, these are more places within Windows that you're able to search. You're looking for a game? Click on game and type the name of your game. A place? Click on maps and go searching. But I want to look for people. So I'm going to go ahead and click people. And when I click in people, it says, well, you have 2 people inside of your contacts with Will. You have Bill Williams and you have William Lopez. So then if I wanted to go to one of those people, just like before, you simply would click and it would take you into your contacts and take you to that person. Now if you're inside of search, I'm going to click back over here to the right. I'm going to go back onto the search. If you're in search and you change your mind, your escape key is your eraser. So all you have to do is hit escape. Escape will pop you directly out of that, but you still have a history. So it says, well, last time you were here you typed Will, and one time before that you typed Williams. Did you want either one of these memory items that are out there? And if so, I want Williams. It says, okay, there's Bill Williams. And if you want totally out, you just hit escape twice, and it no longer has the search on the left, but it has the search results. They're here for you. Well, I want all the way out. I want back out to the search, to the start screen. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the window, and now I'm back out on the start screen. One more place I want to look at searching with you, and this is pretty traditional. If you go out to your desktop, when you're on the desktop, oh, by the way, there are 2 of those files that we were searching for. I had them sitting out here. Let's go into the File Explorer. Just want to show you something that if you've not done this before, but it has been around for a few versions. In File Explorer, in the top right-hand corner, you also have a search, and you'll notice when I click on it, one other time when I was in here, I had searched for truck, and it has a memory and it remembers. This time, I want to search for test. Now I'm searching in the libraries, and in the libraries it says, well, you have 2 files that have the name test. Let's go to the desktop. And when I go to the desktop, now my search box has cleared itself, so I click in search and I type test, and it says, oh, well, here are 2 files, and those are the 2 you just saw on the desktop that have the word test inside of the file. So now you can, if you want to, you can search inside of File Explorer. But as you notice, let me go ahead and click on the X to get out of here and hit Windows to go back. If you're on the Start screen and you do some searching, it searches everywhere in your computer. So as you can see, I think this will become one of your most favorite features in Windows also, because you're now going to be able to find anything in Windows 8 at any time you'd like to.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.